Good morning, y'all. Oh my god. Today is my first day attempting all this snow, y'all. It is crazy. I have not got out of this driveway, so y'all wish me luck. And it's cold. Oh my gosh, y'all. But I hope everybody's having a good Thursday. We're about to get to work and get this money because being in this house for all those days is too much. I can't do it. I need to try. So, oh my gosh, my Uggs are all wet. Okay, well, let's go and try to get there. Oh, look at the mailman doing what he got to do to deliver mail. Shout out to all the mailmen and everybody that has to deliver things with all this amount of snow. Man, this is a lot of snow. I haven't seen this much snow in a very long time. This is crazy, y'all. So crazy. But we're almost to work and we're doing so good, y'all. Yeah, these roads are icy and dangerous. Oh my gosh, look at this road. And then this mailman has to deliver his mail and I have to get behind it. Oh my gosh. Please, mailman, hurry up. Man, shout out to the mailman putting in work. Dang. But this is my commute. There's some crazy drivers right now, I swear. That's my only thing. Like, I could be driving good, but everybody else. Oh, look at this. Is a lot of ice right here. So this part, you gotta be careful right here. See, I'm not scared to drive in it. I'm scared to get stuck, and I'm scared for other people. Like there's like this big old monster truck behind me that looks like he's going really fast, and there's ice. Really. I can't stand people that drive like that. Okay, we are not about to get stuck. This is a hill. Oh my gosh. Please just make it up this hill. Oh my gosh, please just make it up. This is crazy. But here I am, y'all. About to make it to work. I'm so excited though. I am so excited for work, seriously. I can't wait. I cannot be at home for too long. There's just too much. Like, there's only so much you can do. I mean, I did as much as I could do, but I need to be out in the world. Oh, look, we're almost there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're almost there. Heck yeah. I'm so excited. I love where I work, y'all. And there she is. Yup. Oh my gosh, we gonna make sure we do not get stuck. See, look, they be passing through here like, oh my god, I have to stop to make this turn. Oh, our parking lot is so good. Oh my gosh, do not get stuck. Holy cow. Oh, they cleared our parking lot. Man, these guys are awesome. Heck yeah. Okay, let's get to work. Look where I'm at. Getting my hair did. Cause we gotta touch it up because you know we ain't trying to look crazy, but priorities are mandatory. Let's see what we get into after this, but for now, we gotta get this hair done. And then shout out to Lucky Nation. Oh, I got lipstick on my teeth. But shout out to Lucky Nation. Y'all go check out Lucky Nation Station. I ended up doing a collab video with him on that channel. We did a reaction to a movie called Blood In and Blood Out. If y'all haven't seen it, y'all should go check it out. It was pretty funny. But yeah, go over there. I'll put the description below and let them know that we are here supporting. But yeah, but let's see what we get into today. I'm not sure what, but we'll see. What's up, y'all? So I think I'm gonna make some drinks tonight, and I'm bringing y'all with me. This place has so much alcohol, it is crazy. We're gonna do a fun drink, but I need to find the ingredients first, and then let me find. Oh, I see it. Let's go over here. Oh, I didn't know Malibu had strawberry. Oh my gosh, there's so much. What is this? Bursting watermelon shot? What in the world? I shouldn't. Hold on. What? The drink that I need. This is a lot. It's overwhelming in here, you guys. Oh. But first I gotta see how much that one liquor is, because if it's too much, I ain't doing it. Bro, oh my god. I can't do that one drink. I am not about to spend $52 on a tequila drink that I ain't even gonna drink like that. Let's see. Ronchada limon. I don't know about that. What? Look at these. Those are... Nah, I can't do that. I think I'm just gonna find some more fun drinks. I don't know. I'll let y'all know what I end up getting. This place is overwhelming because there's so much shit here. It's insane. Okay, it's a big one. But let me see. And then I'll get back. Dropping off the loaner. I didn't like that car. It's not for me. But dropping it off, picking up mine, and hopefully my car drives good. I have to do a walk around right now. So they can make sure that this car is in good condition. Which it is. Hello. Okay.
I saw you put a bunch of scratches on it.
Oh my gosh, no. Yes.
I don't think it's right, but let me check. Do you need your water bottle out of there?
Yeah, I can get it. No, mine. On mine, I need to put mine on.
Just take a walk around and make sure it's good.
Okay. I didn't even really take it, but to work yesterday and the day before. Because this snow was no joke.
Yeah. get your autograph, and today's the 19th.
Okay. Oh. And the 19th.
Perfect. Now we just head over to the captain's office in that corner over there.
Okay. You'll help me whenever. Okay. Thank you. Let's go pay for this expensive car. Oh. Sorry. Okay, so real quick, I am editing this video and I didn't want to just leave it as it was. So excuse me for looking a little crazy, but y'all already seen me at my crazy state. So seeing me freshly out the shower, it's gonna be okay. But I did get my car fixed and it was like $350 something to fix it. They said it's fixed, so we'll see. But oh, and then I did get some drinks from that liquor store, and that's gonna be in another video, and you'll end up seeing that. I think I'll record it tomorrow, but I just wanted to let y'all know real quick on that before I end the video, because I didn't just want to just end it, you know. But yeah, so I hope you like this little mini vlog. But tomorrow I'll have a video for sure that'll be kind of cool, I think. Yes, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. And oh, guys, tell me what y'all think about the new intro and the new outro. I think it came out so good. You guys let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. And also, if you have not hit that notification bell, make sure you hit it so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.